How to be consistent when you are learning new language. So I know there is a lot of people, they have problem when they start learning new language. You have the motivation. I know you have the motivation for day one, two, three, and you stop. You quit because you don't see the difference. That's your problem. The problem is you don't see any effective. I know because I have that problem. Okay, so for the solution number one is to start with the effective way, is to hear how to speak and how to hear people. When you start hearing people and speaking, you will start having that motivation to learn every day new word, and you think to just to speak with people. You will have it. You can go now and try any app like Omegle, OmiTV, and this type of app, and try to speak with somebody. You will have that motivation to learn that language, just to speak with people and to know other culture and to know other thing about this life. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is you use grammar. If you start with grammar, you will quit. Okay, because grammar it's very hard in some language. Like let's say you are learning now German. If you start with grammar, you will quit tomorrow. Okay, because it's hard grammar. But if you start by with speaking and hearing people and try to make some friends, that will be effective more for you, or not. So if I start learning language now, I will go to Google Translate, write some sentence, I will try to imagine some conversation. If I can't, okay, I will go to YouTube. I will do some research about playlist A1, okay? Because A1 mean you are still begin. A1, E2, but start with A1, choose playlist, try to write vocabulary every day, 20 words in morning, try to write in at night, try to remember, try to speak it with some friends, make some friends, speak with them. If you didn't try, there is a lot of application that will there is a lot of app there help you to do that. You can find friend on Instagram, just search and you will find. You can follow Instagram teacher, you can follow Instagram teachers in YouTube. So you can find people and learn with them. Okay, practice with them and this thing. If you can not find friend, or you don't know how, or you are scared in the beginner, you are waiting to be one or this thing, you can start with Google Translate or any app that repeats sentence and they have speaker. For me, Google Translate only, I prefer it for one thing, because you can write sentence, hear it, and you can speak sentence to Google and try to hear what you say. Okay, there is some app also like ChatGPT 4 and this thing, but I want to give you some cheap way to learn and in effective way. Also, there is some website that help you with that. For me, I found some website who teach, like there is some website like Alison and this thing they teach. You can find course there about that language and start course first of all, and after that learn. But for me, I prefer playlist in YouTube because it's free method and you are now in YouTube, so it's free. You can learn only with YouTube. YouTube it's help a lot in anything. Just you should know what to write on YouTube, because when I start learning language, I was thinking that you should write how to learn English. That's not effective. How to learn English A1, because you are beginner. You go and find some playlist with A1 level. So when you finish it, you can go to A2 and to B1. Okay? Because there is some people they said I watched this video but I didn't learn anything, because you just watch. Okay, stop watching and start making some action. Okay, do some action. I know there is some people they will not say to you take action because they know that you want some easy way, but I want to give you easy and effective way here. Okay, you can go and learn with Duolingo, but do you think that you will learn English only with with Duolingo or any app? Do you think that the app only will help you? For me, app they create just to try to play with this language, just to to have fun with that language, not for learning. Because when you said learning, you should have your paper, your pen, and you try to learn every day for 1 hour, half hour, anytime you want. Just you should go in process consistently and try to speak with friend and try to learn with it, and you will start having fun when you listen to some music and you see yourself, you remember word, you will have fun and you will have the motivation to continue your journey. And you should do it just for three, just to half hour, and that will be easy for you. Try to make easy program for you. Okay, so you are native speaker now for one language. Because of what? Because you are learning with hearing. When you was a baby, you learn with hearing. Okay, you hear people and you try to repeat. You hear your family and you try to repeat. The difference is that demotivate you that time, but now no one gonna care about you. Okay, if you do something or not, the only one who will care it's you. Okay, if you don't do sport, you don't do it for you. Okay, just accept what I'm saying now. Try to do it just for you. Try to do something for you, for yourself. Okay, and take your time learning every day, and one day you're gonna be perfect in anything you learn. So that's it. I hope you enjoy my videos. I have also playlist for any language. I can mostly speak now up to 7 language. I'm still learning in Russian, Spanish. I just start, so I want to share my journey. I did some challenge there, and for French, English, for Arabic, and German, I'm pretty good. And Swedish is I'm doing my best. So I hope you enjoy my videos. You can go to my playlist and this thing, and see you on another video. And if you enjoy, you can leave me some comment, anything. Okay.